welcome back to the Empire. I'm Dennis, and today's feature we have a 2019 Civic Type R. Now, if you are interested in this video, you probably clicked it because, well, you either like these, own one, or just want to see one detailed. And well, I have a bit of a story for this one. So this one is a 2019 with 4,000 miles in iconic 90s Civic Type R color, championship white. Now this is a really dope color, and well, unfortunately, it's already sustained some damage. With only 4,000 miles, it already has rock chips on it. I'll throw some of those examples on right now. Now, luckily, we have a solution for that. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take some touch-up paint and dab it up, smoothen it out, and make it look like no rock chips are there. Now, on top of that, we're gonna install the XPEL paint protection film, which combined with the touch-up paint will mask over the damage. When you apply paint protection film, it luckily is thick enough to usually hide most imperfections. So the goal is to get this low mileage Civic Type R looking like it is actually brand new, because with these rock chips, it really doesn't look like a 2019 with 4,000 miles on it. But we're gonna take care of that. Stick around and let's get to it. So here we are, just like that, this Civic Type R front end is fully protected. So obviously that includes hood, fender, front bumper. Now the interesting part was obviously these pieces. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There was 6 different pieces just for the black trim alone. And the front bumper was really intricate with this area down here. So the main thing to take away here is how soft Honda paint is. This is crazy to hear that it has 4,000 miles and it was chipped up so many times over that Jensen had to probably spend half an hour to an hour just touching this thing up. So with that in mind, let's just wrap this video up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's take a look at this thing and see what we did with the paint protection film and the touch-up paint. See you guys next time.